Now, Storm Team Meteorologist Carson Metcalf with Central New York's most accurate forecast.
Time right now just over to 4:15 on this late Friday afternoon. Kind of a gloomy, hazy-looking sky over downtown Syracuse. Looking off to the north and west, up toward Onondaga Lake. Had some showers, few heavy rain-producing thunderstorms coming through central New York this afternoon. We're dry right now here in Syracuse, but a different story just off to our south and east. I actually picked up some heavy rain in quite a short amount of time for areas just south and east of the city. Look at Morrisville, just over 6/10 of an inch at the New York State Mesonet site there. An inch and a quarter in a very short amount of time, about an hour or so down in Tully earlier this afternoon. And because of that, we still have that active flash flood warning in effect for areas just south and east of Syracuse, including northern Cortland, southern Onondaga, and parts of central Madison County. Wherever you see the red highlighted box here, that's where that flash flood warning continues until 6 o'clock this evening. As we always remind you, make sure if you ever encounter a flooded road, turn around, find an alternate route. You don't know the depth of the water nor the integrity of the road underneath. And yeah, that flooding going to remain a threat here through that time frame, even though luckily the heaviest of the rain continues to pull away, approaching spots like Norwich, and heavy rainfall in the Hamilton area with some thunderstorms rolling through. Same deal between Utica and Herkimer at this hour. The focal point for shower thunderstorm development today has been along this trough of low pressure. As that continues to pull away, we will find drier conditions develop overall as we head through tonight. Another cold front waiting in the wings off to our north and west. That'll introduce chances for a few more showers and storms later in the day tomorrow. Temperature-wise, right now, you see things have cooled down considerably where we've had that heavy rain. Morrisville at 70 right now, 72 in Tully, 76 degrees in Fayetteville, pretty warm in Jordan at 80 right now. The dew point in Jordan, by the way, of 70. It feels quite sticky out there. Dew point at 74 over in Fayetteville, and those relatively high dew points, something we'll continue to contend with as we head through the first half of the weekend. Low temperatures for tonight, stuffy, mild, warm, 60s to near 70. Tomorrow, temperatures topping out pretty similar to where they topped out this afternoon in the low to mid 80s with that humidity persisting. Temperature-wise, going to stay in the mid 80s as we head through the weekend and at least Monday before we drop off into the 70s to near 80 degrees by the time we get to Tuesday. Sky-high dew points still a feature of the forecast through tomorrow, but look at this. At least some temporary relief with dew points closer to 60 versus closer to 70 heading into the day on Sunday. Timecast, here we go as we head through the rest of this Friday afternoon into this evening. Chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms gradually continuing to wind on down. We should be mainly dry outside of a stray shower or storm as we head through the overnight. Just watch out for some patchy fog later on tonight into early on Saturday morning. Should be a pretty quiet start to the day tomorrow. Intervals of clouds and some hazy sun through the morning, giving way to those chances once again for a few scattered pop-up afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Severe threat looks rather low here, luckily out ahead of that cold front, but some heavy rain is possible, of course, in any storm that develops. Cold front pushes through. We got sunny skies developing here after some morning clouds and fog on Sunday, turning again much less humid with that area of high pressure building on in. So Sunday, certainly the pick day of the weekend by far. Chances for showers and storms return once again for Monday and Tuesday.
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.